Taishin, TXGMZ, 315. Intelligent, integrated arch erection, anchoring grouting, jumbo. Full construction record. The precast arch units were transported to the tunnel faced by a loader. The jumbo reported to the site and was ready to commence work. Set the outriggers. Extend the boom. Unspool the cable reel and hook up to external power. Setup completed. Beginning work. The central boom is gripping the mid-span arch segment. Raise to the crown installation position. Then, the left and right booms will operate. Retrieve the left and right arch segments simultaneously. Raise to their left and right installation positions. The workers and the work platform bolt the three arch segments together. Make final adjustments to the arch segment's position. Weld the connecting rebar and secure the arch in place. Upon completion of the connecting rebar welding, proceed with the welding of the arch mesh panels. After mesh welding is completed, the arch waist and arch top system anchor rod and locking foot anchor rod work begins. After work, retract the boom, outriggers, and cable reel. Then the equipment left the construction site. Arch erection results display.